Okay, let's start, everyone. Hello, all. Welcome to the ABAP training session. Thanks for joining in, and thanks for showing the quality of giving your quality of time to training session. I hope this session will be great and would be giving you good benefits. ABAP is a language that is apart from Java and your bases. So it is a different kind of a language altogether. I'm Shubha Bansal. I have 16 years of experience completely in ABAP. I am hardcore ABAPer, starting from core ABAP to advanced ABAP. I worked on HANA, I worked on upgrades, I have worked on rollouts, and I worked as a lead consultant as well. So that's my profile. Anything anybody would like to ask about me?
Yes, Isha. Have you worked any chance for migration project of S4HANA?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I have worked on migration projects. I worked on rollouts. I have worked on upgrades. I have worked on all of them.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Isha, is it a greenfield or a brownfield like that, Hana?
I have worked on brownfield as well as greenfield, and both of them. And even when these things were not there, I worked in the core ABAP as well. I have know the clean core technology as well, and I have worked on SQL databases. I worked on Sybase database as well. I was part of Amazon. I was part of all government entities in Dubai. So it's what it's my 16 years of career all about. I was in HCL Technologies. I started my career with Sopra.
At
I'm a,
present, still in
yeah,
Mysore?
I'm working. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
working here in Dubai, and I feel as if it's SAP community that gives you the capability of spreading out the knowledge as much as you can. So we have community SAP community as a big worldwide, which we help each other and which we teach also each other. SAP entering into SAP community is a very big stand because you are part of very esteemed community and you can get SAP job anywhere in the world. If you are SAP community person, you can uh, bring anybody down the line, anybody, and they will be responding. That's the power of our community.
Yeah, Isha. So, no, this is very great to know you. So, can you start our
Sure.
session?
Yeah, I'm thinking so that let's start at 7:40 already. So let me start my session and first I'll cover the points what all are we gonna cover in our training. I'll share my screen 1 minute. Please let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah,
Great,
it's
that's nice. Shall we wait for 2, 3 more minutes so that other people who are joining are in the queue? We can just start after the enter in. Uh,
Okay, okay, definitely.
Give me 2 minutes more.
So Isha, now we are in Dubai means what is the time now there?
It's 7:40 p.m.
7:40 p.m. Okay.
Yeah. So let's start. I think it's most of the people have joined. As soon as I start, somebody else pops in.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
So like basically I did degree in mechanical engineering. So does it require any coding for to learn ABAP, or how is it? Anyone can learn, or any prerequisite is required?
So you've done mechanical engineering from which university, dear?
No, regional college.
So you've done from REC, so you are already from a very good college, and
Okay.
definitely you are you can do uh, all the programming things and everything. Programming is basic, and then above that you can understand how the ABAP works. I'm here to help you out. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Anything else? Anybody wants to ask?
Is this only for the SAP ABAP or anything else you're covering?
We are doing ABAP, core ABAP, and the advanced ABAP. So it will include your HANA, it will include your Eclipse, it will include. That's what I'm just gonna share. Start the what all things are included and how much will it be focusing on. You can see my screen, right, everyone?
Yes.
Isa, just I want to know
Yes.
how many person who are not working experience in HANA, can you hand raise on the teams so we can understand how many people just they are exhilating the knowledge.
I
Any
don't think so.
possibility?
HANA will be
Sorry,
known to much of the people. I
sorry,
don't know.
can you repeat the question? So whoever is working on HANA or not working?
Not working only, not working.
Not working. Okay, we have to raise the hands, huh? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So we can count. Yeah.
Okay, okay. But future, it's all HANA only, so it's better to concentrate more on HANA.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I'm asking for the same.
I'll tell you one very small thing as a BAP person.
Okay,
Nowadays, it's gonna be HANA only. Going ahead, it will be S4 HANA, it will be HANA database. So it's better that we give more focus on these parts. Okay.
okay.
Hmm. Yeah. So most of majority, I think. Yeah, you can start. Isha.
Okay. So if you see over here, you can see that we are gonna understand what SAP architecture is all about. It will be in detail. SAP ECC and S4 HANA, all these will be discussed in detail. Then it will be having strong understanding of core ABAP programming, data dictionary concept. Any idea of all these terminologies?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. I just want to understand how, at what level are we discussing so that I can deep dive accordingly. Creating of reports, dialogue programs, all these will be done. We'll be doing practice sessions for them. Writing efficient and optimized codes, yes, with OOPS, object-oriented ABAP principles is called OOPS, object-oriented programming. Okay. Then working on, sorry, did I miss anybody? Hello.
No, sure. No.
I thought somebody was saying something and I missed that.
Okay, continue.
Okay. Yes, Venkateshwara, you were asking something.
No, yeah. Whatever the practice you are going to show, is it on HANA or ECC?
On ECC and Eclipse, both. So as
Okay.
the time will proceed, first we'll do on ECC. You will
Okay.
once you are enrolled in the once you are done, then you will get the system details, and then we will start practicing on the system. Okay, and I
Okay.
will be also covering Eclipse. So
Okay.
ECC and for HANA,
Isha,
right?
already almost person I already discussed. I think they are all already involved in the SAP ABAP since 10 plus year experience. So just we are eager to learn with S4 HANA database development.
Okay.
Hey, I am not working in SAP or ABAP, okay? Whatever you are starting, you can start
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I
One or
think
two
we will
person maybe.
start from no. I think we will start from what I would suggest that we will start from core basic ABAP, and then we
Okay,
will
okay.
take it ahead so that other
Mhm.
people also can join, come on the same level, and we all can discuss and talk on the same language. Will that make
Yeah,
Yeah.
sense?
yeah,
Yeah.
that makes
Correct.
sense. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so then ABAP syntax and rules, loops, conditions, if case, all these things will be explained, and we will be doing practice on all these points. Then SQL CRUD operations. CRUD is create, read, update, and delete. All of these things will be taken care. Aggregation, annotation, joins, and performance. All these are part of your ABAP on HANA, also on HANA SQL Server as well. Got that? On CDS views are majorly on S4 HANA. These are 4 data services. These are HANA items. Then basic and composite views, annotation, association, all these will be taken care properly. Then HANA centric, how is ABAP on HANA? What is native SQL? What is open SQL? We will be doing examples of all, and I will be showing what is the difference between. Then your SQL trace, that is ST05, it's for performance, runtime analysis, and this AMDP, that's ABAP modified database procedure, will also be created in uh, your ECC. In fact, ECC and HANA both. So we will be doing this also. We will be taking each and everything in a lab participation also. So you will be writing the code that in which you will be creating an AMDP procedure, and with that there will be an ALV that will be created, and it will be easier for development. Then we will start with OOPS concept as well, where you will get information about classes, inheritance, interfaces, polymorphism, all the best practices, and then you'll be creating classes to write the program also. That's called OOPS programming. Similarly, going ahead, SAP Fiori and OData are the latest concepts on which advanced ABAP is working on. So SAP Fiori is majorly for your mobile inputs, where you will get the chance to make applications that work directly on mobiles and or internet, so that it will encompass the problems of GUI. So Fiori is something with which you are able to access SAP on your mobile. This is the one way which you can give your users, end users or business users, the power of suppose approving your purchase order from the mobile app itself. They don't need to go into SAP GUI. Or you want to, there's one more thing that's going on nowadays that's called warehouse management. The warehouse management, you can allow them to move the items into warehouses. Then comes your interfaces and integration. Interfaces and sorry, did I miss something? IDOCs and ALE EDI concepts are a way of how we can transfer our data from SAP to non-SAP and from non-SAP to SAP. Now, for understanding this concept, I would give you one very simple example. IDOCS is one of my specialty. That's why I can lay more concepts on this. So RFC and BAPI, everything are like, suppose today you have one customer who has, or suppose you are using, what is that, BSNL. You are using BSNL for your electricity. So now you are, BSNL uses SAP. Now they want to send the bill to you. So it's not necessary that they will only email you, or that email thing is happening through Gmail or their mail IDs. That is happening through your SAP integration as well, either through IDOC or EDI concept, or web services or so. All these are integration concepts. Then comes your enhancements and debugging. As far as I understand, everyone knows that SAP itself is an ERP system that has predefined set of rules. Like if you are purchasing something, it is a purchase order is created, then a sales order is created when you're selling. So they have their own functional modules to which everything flows in. It's a predefined set of rules which are already maintained for all kinds of business. So everything, either it be finance, either it be sales and distribution, either it be HR, either it be FICO, or logistics, or your quality testing, environment, EHS, all these things are pre-specified modules. So when you have to input some data according to your customer, as an example, I'll give you one very good example. The first company which I worked was Sopra Steria. That Sopra Steria company, our client was Airbus. At that time, A380 was launched. A380 was launched, its launch was based on the documentation we had to provide it. So each and everything has to be written in the document, then only they can deliver an aircraft. So for that thing, SAP was being used by Airbus to encounter all the materials, to save everything, to create the document. So that was my first implementation. In that we had used lots of customer exits, lots of user exits, lots of bodies. Am I clear, or am I going wrong? Or question will be development done on HANA, ECC or S4HANA? Sir, it will be done on both ECC and S4HANA, as well as it will be done through Eclipse, and you will be able to do all this. Just want to ask one thing, everyone: am I going fast, or am I fine on the speed? Let me know, please.
No. Yeah, you are fine.
Yeah, it is fine.
Yeah, good. No issues. Good.
Yeah.
Do let me know if I go past the track. Otherwise, it will be a waste of your time and my time both. So hold my horses if I go very.
Actually, we have limited time to understand the things. We need to start the training as soon as possible. That's why we
Yes,
are.
definitely. So initially,
No, don't go so speed. This is good.
I just want you to be very much sure that these are the levels that I will be taking up. Otherwise, you will be not be able to understand that I'm very fast or I'm very slow. So that is what I want you to know, that these are the things that will go in your course. So then last will be your project and case study, so that you will be able to understand and show your performance. Cool enough? Any question on any of this part?
Okay.
Isha, every time you're telling that Eclipse, what is the meaning of that Eclipse?
Okay.
Eclipse, yeah, correct.
Fine. So let me show you the major thing.
Okay.
This used to be SAP GUI. It's called
Yeah,
SAP GUI, SAP Logon Pad. So we used to go into this only. We used to open it from here.
So for our practice, are you going to give this system also?
Yes, yes, sir. They will be.
Okay. Okay.
Then only we will be able to do. We will be able
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do our things.
Yeah,
Now, one.
practice.
So
Yeah,
what
correct.
we'll be getting a. My password is not working. Give me a minute.
Oh, okay, okay. So is it HANA or ECC?
Sir, I'll go and show you how to check that also. 1 minute.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So, means my doubt is through GUI you can't differentiate the system.
Yes, through GUI only you can differentiate, but you have to
I
go
guess
inside
I
the
guess
system.
it's S4HANA 2023, right?
Yes. So we'll check that. I'll show you all this as well.
Okay, okay,
That is also part of training. Don't worry.
okay.
See, definitely you will be enjoying this. And I'm sorry, I just missed the.
Password.
I was working in the morning and it was working very fine.
Any other user ID, then we can reset the password.
No, they will provide me. That's it. Hello, everyone. I have messaged everyone, but you can see at this system, how do we create this user IDs? You have to create the system and just a second. I'm extremely sorry for all the noise. Okay, so I will explain you how do we create SAP GUI system as well. All these are called connections. Hello. Hello,
Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
there.
Please
Yes,
go
we are
ahead.
able to hear
Yes,
you.
yes, 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 Isha.
So
Go
how
ahead.
do we create this? This is called SAP GUI logon, and then this we have to create the connection.
But in this manner, we are catering the GUI setup only, but not on that user ID, right?
You will, yeah, here you will be putting the user ID as well. So I will be creating this user ID, and user ID will be given to you by user, by the system itself, by admin, and they will be giving you all the details. So what is provided to you is these details. If I show you that you will be getting, you can give a name to your system, you can give system ID, you have to give instance number, and then the application user ID. With this, everything will be created. And then you will do OK. And then you will get your system created. And then when you double click on this, you will get the system over here. Client, user, and password, and logon language. These are the inputs that we have to provide.
So client is always default 100, ma'am, or how is it?
No, so over here, every time that there will be a different client, since it's a testing server.
In the deed now, right? So we as
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I'm not clear on that client. What is that client? How do we decide that?
the system when is given to you, then you will get a client for that system. Okay, I'll show you something SE16 in. Okay, first this is the screen of SAP GUI. Am I a bit understanding?
Yeah,
Yes.
please go ahead. Please,
Okay,
Isha.
all these are your systems. In this system, you will have, this is the SAP GUI screen. The first screen is called SAP Easy Access. Over here, this part is called command prompt, where you will give the transaction codes. Transaction codes are which will open your any of the T codes, transaction code or T code, through which you will be doing your working. Here you can SE11. What I'm writing is SE11. This is one of the T codes. In SE11, you will be able to make data dictionary, ABAP dictionary initial screen. So here you can create database table, views, data types, type groups, domain, search help, and log objects. So you can create them, you can display them, you can change them. Cool enough? Suppose there's one
Yeah.
table called, sorry.
Oh, yes.
So there's one table called Mara. This is a standard table. So I can display this and see what are the fields in this. Coming back to client, what you are asking me, the client is called as mandate. SAP is a system in which you can, for each customer, you can have multiple clients. Suppose I am working on Airbus. Airbus will have two clients, one for Saudi or one for Europe and one for France. So that way I can have two different clients which will have completely two different set of data. This is a part of mandate is the field which defines the client. And all the entries done in this table based on the mandate will be different. This is the primary key. Can you understand this?
Yeah.
Yes or
We
no?
got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
We got
So
it.
that this is the client over here that I'm showing. If I show you the data, so you see 100 was the client that we logged in, and it is showing me the 100 data. Fair enough? This is what is client. If I would have another client over here, I don't know whether I have another client or not, but if I will have another client, that data will be specifically for that client. Here we have logged into 100 client, that's why it's showing only 100. So the main thing I want to explain is SE16, SE11 is the, my first thing that you should know is your T code, and then you should be knowing how to open the screen. Next, how will you check what kind of system it is? Here in the system, you will have the status as one field, which will show you what kind of system it is. So it will show you the system details. If I want to see what product version it is, I can see what is the ABAP version, what is the basis version, and all the values. What all is implemented. Sorry.
How we come to know whether it's ECC or HANA?
With this, sir, ABAP. With ABAP, you will get to know whether it is ECC or HANA.
Okay, it is which
S4
patch level?
Yes. ABAP is 751 is your ABAP 7.5, and it is S4 HANA.
Okay, 751 is S4 HANA. Okay, S4
You
4.
see
Okay.
S4 FND. Anything
Okay,
above
okay.
7.4, 7.4 and greater than 7.4 are ABAP.
Okay.
So here are all the things that are updated in it.
Okay.
You have HR, you have S4 HANA core, and you have S4 HANA things. Is it available, understood? Any other point? Then you have UI, you have BW in this, you have all the system. MDG is your master data governance, which is also available in this. You can see S4 HANA FND. S/4HANA Foundation is available.
Foundation. Okay.
Extension is also. So from this, you can understand whenever you are in any of the SAP system, you can use this way to find out what the system is all about. What are the patches and what are the things allowed in this. So how will you go in this? System, status,
System status.
and then you will system, status, then C details over here. System data details.
Okay.
These are very basic things and very important things that you should be knowing being an SAP consultant. Now defining this complete screen by itself, let's work more onto it.
I'm sorry to disturb you. I've got one question. To be able to practice these sessions, I think SAP, we need a license for that. But I don't have a license for SAP. How
We
will I
don't need
proceed?
license. It is the company that's providing you the training. They have the system with them and they are having the license for it. We are not providing them. Each and every person won't go and get the license. Even if you are working in any of the companies, they will not be asking you to buy a license. It will be company that will be having a licensed software, and that will be you. They will be providing you a user with which you will be executing.
But in that case, how can we practice the sessions that you're teaching us? Should we ask from Isha a license?
You need to ask the admin team of Isha Training Institute.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
They will help you out in all these things.
Okay.
Fair enough. I want you to understand the screen first. This one, as I explained, is called transaction code command prompt. Here you can write all the T codes, whichever T code you find, all these will be written in this. So if I say, please write something, write the T code in your command prompt, then this will be your command prompt. This sign is for check. Check means whatever you have created, is that correct in syntax or no? So this helps in check. This helps in activate. Okay, if anybody of you has done Java or anybody if you have done any programming language, then you know that we have to save and do, we can execute anywhere. But in ABAP, you have to activate. First is save and next is activate. Based on activate, it will be your things will be available for use in other programs. Without activation, your things won't be available for user to use. Suppose if I create a table, suppose Jmeter is a table that I am creating. If I'm creating any table, then here you are able to see the status. Either it's new, it's activated, or what is the status of it. It's saying this red highlights that there are errors in it. That's why it's not saving. It will not activate or save without removal of errors. So I want to just cancel it and come out and show you another standard table. So this is active. If it is active, then you will be able to utilize it. Going ahead, we'll discuss about all this. There are two things that you need to understand very specifically. First is, what is SAP? I hope we all know. If I can ask you what is SAP, what will you answer as a point? Please speak.
It's an ERP system.
ERP. Anything? Anyone else?
Data processing for the digital.
Data processing. Anyone else? More details?
We can work on different types of modules like sales, HR,
Right.
purchase.
Modules. So what all modules do we know? HR, SD, MM,
HANA. Yeah.
HANA, FICO, logistics, right? All these things are logistics.
It's a very popular
Isha,
ERP
just
system.
I interrupt you. Uh, I have a 14 plus year experience in SAP ABAP. I have worked with Accenture. I have worked with IBM. I have worked with TCS. So I know the terms of SAP is the different. This is no your explanation.
What should I do then? I'm sorry, I didn't get your
So
point. You want me to move ahead instead of all this? Or
no,
there are people.
you are correct. But just 11% need to understand. They are wanted to understand what they are need to work.
Sorry, sir, I couldn't get your point. I'm sorry. A bit confusing, sir. Because the first girl who asked me the question, she was from mechanical engineering and she wanted to understand what SAP is on. So I'm trying to explain that point to that level of knowledge people as well. Might be you can give me some few minutes. I'll just explain that part. Will that be okay? So HR, SD, MM. SD is sales and distribution. MM is material master management. And
Uh,
as a
sorry,
yes, sir.
sorry to disturb you. I'm not in.
Okay, just 1 minute, sir. Business, any business all around the world, anything that you give me an example and we will divide it how we are using in SAP. That's what I want to explain. Okay, so there are two kinds of tables. One is your, there are two types of, one is your master, one is your standard tables. Other one is your custom table. Would you like me to explain, sir, or will you explain this? Hello, everyone. Are you able to understand what is a standard table? What is a custom table?
No, ma'am. Can you
No,
explain
go
that?
on. You
Yes.
can explain. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. When SAP is into picture, there are two types of formats. Either it is a standard code or it is a custom code. Custom codes means anything that is starting with Z or Y. That becomes your custom specific code that we will be developing. Okay. And when we are talking about, like I gave an example of Mara, this is a standard table provided by SAP itself. It's not created by me or it's not created by anybody. The data, the table has been provided to me by SAP company itself. So that's a standard table.
So we can say that they are inbuilt tables with
Sorry?
SAP. We can say that they are inbuilt table
Exactly.
in SAP
So that is
application.
the difference. One is an inbuilt table or inbuilt data, anything that's inbuilt. So that
Okay.
is, that will start with from A to X. Anything that will come with this naming convention, it will be standard. That you will,
Okay.
it will be not be allowed to change by yourself. Anything that will be starting with Z or Y, that will be customized, that you can touch and change. To change anything between A and X, you need to use enhancements. Okay. So there are basically success factor, or basically ABAP is considered into, divided into RISEP. That is reports, interfaces, conversions. This is R, I, C, E is enhancement, and form. So these are the way we define SAP all objects. ABAP all objects are covered in RISE. Going ahead. Now all these naming conventions will be either, if it's inmate built in, then it will be through A, B, C, D, and A to X. And if it will become customer, then it will be Z and Y. So I'll show you as an example. As I showed the table, you see that it's starting with Mara M. So that's a completely a standard one. If I show you this table, this is a Z1 that's created by user itself. Who created it and where it is? This was created by this user and in this package it is. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Then going ahead, if I complete this part, then here you can see last change, who changed it last, it is in which language, what its delivery and maintenance format, and what are the fields in it. These are the table fields in it. So giving for an example part, any table that we enter, what is the table? Sir, I'm sorry, it's basic for you because you have 16 years of experience, you have 15 years of experience. But for other people, it will be very much important to understand this. If I create this, then you can see that we have this as a column and this as the row and column subjoined. So each and every table will be made in this way. Tables are made of rows and columns. So this is called as a column 1, column 2, and any data in this, it will be called as record. This is a row. Am I understandable to everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I show you this data, you can see how it works.
Zmara means it's a custom table.
No, I have changed it to Mara, sir. I want to see why it's not showing. It has 48 records. I want to show you how the table actually looks like.
Ma'am,
Okay.
just one question. Will you provide us some notes because SAP is quite new for me?
I didn't get you,
SAP is quite new for me. Will you provide us some notes so that we can go
Definitely, yes.
through?
Hello.
Definitely, yes. I provide you with the notes as well. The thing that I'm
Who's presenting right now?
Isha.
Isha, you are I don't know.
Sorry. May I know who's speaking, sir?
Kuldeep Vishwakarma.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Uh, uh, I have 13 years, 30 years experience in SAP ABAP,
30.
right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, below. B1, B2, B3, I have worked with SAP.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, I think
Even
we should
I
talk.
even I have worked with the SAP India.
Okay, sir.
I'm not understanding. Uh, sorry to say, but please don't call me. Huh?
Okay. So can we have a discussion after this class? Can we talk after this
Yeah,
so that other people
yeah,
won't
yeah.
be?
Sure. Please don't disturb because I am another call, so that's why I'm saying that like that.
Thank you. So, ma'am, who
Sorry,
was
sir.
asking
Sorry.
me the question? So you can see this is one record. Can you see that question, record, ma'am?
Yeah.
So this is a record which says that client is 100. The material name is this. It was created on this. So this is one record which comes in this table. So if you open any Excel, how do you create an Excel file? You have one table. You create, how do you create any of the records, right? So it is that table only. Here you are taking this table, you will be putting the values over here, right? So that is what it's all about. Are other people able to follow me or no?
Yeah, it's okay.
So here I'm saying, suppose I say customer name, customer number, then I give another as customer name, then I give as address, then I give it as your telephone number, then I give another column as your material, as your WhatsApp number or your email, right? These are the details you will be taking from the customer and put it in one table, right? So that will be one table that I'm showing you in the Mara table. For SAP customer table is called KNA1. So here I can give the customer table name that is also standard. KNA1 is the standard customer table and we can display it. These are all the customers. 1000 is one customer, it is from US and the name is this. Are you able to understand the point? This is the standard table that has been provided by SAP itself. We don't need to create this table. So try to understand there are two parts. One is standard, one is custom data. Standard is something it is provided to us by SAP itself and using which we can create our, we can use that and we can implement our implementation and we can do our work. Another one is custom. Suppose I have another process that is not provided by SAP, but I need for that thing for my business. Then I will be creating something called custom, which will be my own tables that will start with Z or Y. It will be my own reports. It will be my own interfaces. Fair enough with everyone?
Yeah, but do we create the custom tables in the real time, and how do
Yes,
we
sir.
create those?
Yes, sir. We do create. It depends upon the business. Suppose you are working with uh, might be FMCG company and you have defined all the materials, but then you have a new process that has come up for your new type of materials or something new thing has arrived. For that custom thing, you cannot use it in the predefined format. So you need to create a custom object. Any business is not possible without custom objects.
So, it's which team will create this custom tables?
The
We have
developer team,
to,
the
uh,
ABAP team, the ABAP
ABAP team
team.
will create the custom tables. Okay.
Yes. It will be our responsibility to find out the proper way it will be given by functional person. They will be defining it, whether it is decided to use a standard one, create an enhancement in the standard one to absorb our custom thing, or we have to create a custom object to make that business rule applicable. Both the
Okay.
things work. Either enhancement will work, or you will be creating a complete new role. Suppose
Okay.
you have GST implemented in 2018, I guess, right? So in 2018, when GST implemented, it was nationwide, complete India was being impacted with it. So it was SAP that took the decision that they will be implementing in their standard work. So it was changed from SAP itself. It was changes in SAP standard code itself. We didn't do anything. But suppose you are using any of your, you have a new business rule stating that any customer with more than 5 years will be provided with 10% discount more. That is your business. So you have to identify and you have to implement that. I was part of Amazon and we had given such a offer that anybody who has been a continuous customer for Amazon, who has the validity of 5 years, will be given a BOGO offer, that is buy one get one free for at the end of the year. So these are custom things that you have to define. Everything cannot be done functionally. You need to enroll it into ABAP.
Okay. And is it like, do we clone from the existing one, or most of the times, or
It can
we
be both,
create the
sir.
new one?
It can be both. It can
Okay.
be enhancement. Might be it's a small thing that needs to be done. So that is done through enhancement. Other things are being worked by SAP by standard, but you want something more to be done by one business rule is tweaking, which is giving a problem. So you will be changing that. That's called enhancement.
Okay. Thank you.
And if it's a completely new thing, then definitely you will be creating a new object itself. Might be completely different from SAP.
Okay.
Okay. For that, anything else? Any question?
No, that's all understood. Yeah. Thank you.
So that is the major part that you need to understand. What is custom, what is standard, and what are tables. And then we will deep dive into how we create a table. And then what is a domain, what is element. So that is going ahead. So you need to understand what is row, what is columns, and how do we define these.
I've got another question. Will you show us the syllabus on what you are going
Will
to
I
teach
show you?
throughout the course?
I didn't get you, ma'am.
Yeah, will you show? I think I joined the session a bit late. I don't know if you have already showed the other students about the syllabus you're going to cover during the course.
Yes, ma'am. I did show that at the start of the. I'll show you again. Not an
No,
issue.
it's okay. I will just go through the recording. No issues.
Okay. So here are how we will be going ahead. So the thing that I explained now today was a data dictionary object that I showed you what is data dictionary object. So in this, we will be learning S4HANA, we will be learning ECC, both the objects will be learning, and we'll be starting, we have started with core ABAP programming.
Okay.
So what
Because
we are
SAP is quite new for me. That's why I'm asking. Yeah.
That's perfectly okay. That's not an issue. It's good that at least you took chance, you took the courage to understand it more. Any other question, please?
Also, I want to know whether Adobe Form is included in this.
So we'll be including smart forms, and if you want, I can include Adobe Form. That I have to confirm from the management or the admin team.
Okay. Okay.
We can include Adobe Form as well.
Yeah, Isha, this AI tool, Joule also going to show?
No, sir. No, sir. It's not included. We are going from core ABAP to advanced ABAP to CDS only, not to Joule.
Okay. And any material means any notebook, sorry, notes you're going to provide?
So
Each
whatever
topic
I'm
wise.
writing in, whatever today it was a very fast session. I'll be
Okay.
making all the Excel file with which I will be giving the PPTs and everything. So whatever I'll be teaching here, you will be getting that as your notebook, as your data. Also.
Okay.
Whatever I have
Excellent.
created over here, I'll provide that as well.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay,
and
thank you.
all these sessions you are recording, and these recordings are available for us for
Yes,
future reference also. Okay.
yes, sir. Sir, I'm sorry. What was rude? I'm extremely sorry. I've been again. Sir, I'm sorry. What was rude?
Rude. Nothing.
No, sorry. Can you hear me?
Sorry,
Can you hear me?
I don't know. It's Abiuddin, sir. You've written that I was rude.
Yeah,
What
no,
was I?
I was talking to the other guy who jumped into the call and started shouting, "Stop! Don't call me! Don't call me!" So I thought he was rude.
Okay, he
Not
was
you.
rude. I.
Yeah, he was rude. Yeah, I mean, let's okay. He has 30 years of experience. Who cares? I mean, don't come into a call and start.
Yeah, because we,
Okay,
we are
okay, sir.
all here to
Let's
learn.
connect. Let's
So
do our task. It's
Yeah,
everybody's. Let's. Okay. Anyways, thank you
exactly.
so much for giving me support.
Exactly.
But
You're
do
welcome.
you understand the things today? It was a
Yeah,
very
yeah,
quick session, and but I've tried to show you the things, and I wanted the basic things to be understandable. Next session, we'll be taking it more into deep that what is data dictionary in all, and I will actually want you guys to start trying that. So it will be really helpful if you guys can understand and take it ahead.
ma'am, I've got one
Sure, sure.
question regarding the installation. Will you show us how to install SAP on
You don't
our
need to,
machine?
ma'am. You don't need to. It will be supported by the training system itself. Training
Is
company will
there
support you. Yeah, they will
okay?
provide you everything.
Is there any link that we should connect to practice this?
So, ma'am, you should connect with admin. They will help you and they will guide you out. Don't worry. If anything
Okay.
else is required, I will be there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So they will provide the software, ma'am, or how?
You can ask the admin itself. They will provide you with the installation
Okay.
file. They will provide you with the user. They will provide you the system. They will provide you the server. Everything they will be providing.
All right,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
So, when will be the regular classes, Isha? So, from tomorrow onwards, is it regular or?
Sir, I think I will leave it for you guys to discuss this with admin. As and when they
Okay.
tell me, then I will start with the regular classes. I
Okay.
hope
Okay.
you liked my class and you
Yeah.
liked my
Yeah.
way of
Yeah.
teaching.
Yeah.
Hi Shubha, what's
Yes,
the
ma'am.
total duration of the course and what's this class schedule?
I didn't get your question, Chinmay. I'm sorry.
Sorry, what's the total duration of the course and what's
It's
this
40
class
hours.
schedule?
It's
So
40 hours. This
will,
was a
will that
demo
will,
class.
will that be 40 classes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's an hour length class,
Yes,
right?
sir. Right.
Okay.
Because going ahead, what I am planning is that half an hour I'll teach a concept, I'll show you how to do it, and then next half an hour you will practice and you can ask me any of the question and any problem, and that ways we will take it ahead.
Okay, and this course, is it for people who have already have experience with SAP or is it for someone who's
It's,
just joining for new?
anything is okay, sir.
Okay.
ABAP is so soft and so reasonable that anybody can understand. That's my way of teaching, that it would be making it easier for you.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
You're most welcome. Anything
Sorry.
else? Anybody? Yeah.
Yes. Did you say you don't know when the actual class is going to start?
So I would say that admin will, you can reach out to admin when they will be making it. I think they will be deciding how many demo sessions need to be done. According to me, it will be 2 demo sessions or 1 demo session itself. They will be deciding that fact.
Okay, thank you.
So if I may ask, how from what all locations have people joined my class? India and
Mauritius.
I am
Mauritius,
from Texas.
Texas. Super.
I'm in UK,
Great, sir. Great.
not Croatia, UK.
Yeah, yeah, got that. I said great.
Oh,
UK, it's cool. Great. I hope I am not, I'm utilizing, you guys are feeling good taking the class.
Are you located in India, ma'am?
I'm located in Dubai.
Dubai. Okay.
It's been 10, 11 years that I'm in Dubai. And I've worked with Amazon Dubai, I've worked with Al Fateh in Dubai, I've worked with all the biggies in Dubai.
Great.
Amazon is Amazon is using SAP. Like
It was Souk.com that was using SAP, and Amazon killed our SAP. So since, yes, Amazon is selling SAP through their AWS, but they are not using SAP. They have their own systems, and that's widely being used.
Okay.
I mean, both SAP and Salesforce, they are greatly in demand regarding ERPs.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. It is the most 70% of market share is taken by SAP. Oracle is sidelined. Oracle Financials has been sidelined. Odoo, the new buddies that are coming in, Odoo, and I don't know, there are small buddies, players that have come in market. But it's been 50 years that SAP is there.
Yeah, I know, because since I joined IT, I joined Accenture quite a long time. The main project was on SAP, but I didn't have the chance to work on SAP. I was working on another ERP, PeopleSoft.
Okay,
So
yeah, PeopleSoft is also almost outlined. It's
but it's not that much demanding as SAP.
no, yes.
Yeah.
Now it has taken up the market share. It's around 70%, 25%. SAP world market share is with SAP. Global certifications, Sanket, global certification or certification itself, what is the charges for your classes and global certification? Point one, this you can ask the admin, whosoever has added you, it will be better for them to answer. Global certification, there are various there is various certifications that are available in SAP. It can be either ABAP only, it can be ABAP on cloud, it can be AI certification. There are lots of Fiori certification are separate. I am a ABAP certified personality, and I have BTP certification as well. So nowadays, things are moving ahead. So being certified is definitely a very good opportunity and very good way of people looking at you.
Yeah.
It makes a difference. Definitely yes. I would suggest after doing the course, you should go and give the certification exam.
So how is the market for ABAP, ma'am?
Sorry? I didn't get the question.
Is
Yes,
BTP is different from BTP is different from ABAP?
Yes, sir. BTP is business transformation platform that is altogether a new been devised from SAP. They have provided a platform through which you can do SAP ABAP also, you can do Fiori also, you can do integrations also, you can do AI also. There are new technologies that are coming. ABAP is the basic, and you can run ABAP. Yes.
But it's compulsory for the ABAPer to learn BTP also.
Sir, I think I don't know what is your domain
Because
going.
like I was started my career as an ABAP, then I was moved to BUDS when I joined. Then, but due to some family circumstances, I have to left my job. But now I'm trying to give my interview. Then mostly they are asking for BTP and RAP.
Sumant sir, I would say let's discuss it part of offline after this end of this session.
Okay.
Maybe you can connect with me later from through admin, you can ask me to connect with you.
Okay.
That will be better. Try to
Okay.
waste other people time on this discussion. Any other question, anyone?
So how is the market now, ma'am, for ABAP?
ABAP is still always in position. It will always be in market. Don't worry about that, because ABAP, now what they have done is, one
Okay.
thing that has come into picture is called clean core. So what they are saying, whatever you have done in your enhancements, in your custom code, come back to standard code. So they are asking us to go back to ABAP. So that is how it's working. ABAP will
Okay.
not go anywhere anyhow.
Okay.
So learning ABAP is really very nice and really helpful.
Okay.
So shall I close the call? See you
So
tomorrow.
what is the prerequisites for this, ma'am, for the understanding of this ABAP?
I didn't get you, sir.
Are there any prerequisites for understanding the ABAP?
No, sir. It will be me who will be teaching you. If you have programming knowledge, it's very good. If you have OOPS concept with you, very good.
Mhm.
Otherwise, I will be teaching all these points. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everyone. I'll close the call.
Thank
See
you.
you tomorrow.
See
Take
you.
care.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care, everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye.